My loaded taco turkey burger. I've got my turkey meat right here, and I'm gonna add to it some seasoning. So I've got cumin, coriander, garlic powder, chili powder, salt, and pepper.
Okay.
And just gonna put that in there. Alex, I'm gonna have you help me out with this. I'm gonna add to it some grated onion. I always like whenever I'm doing a turkey burger or a chicken burger or turkey meatloaf, anything like that, I put grated onion in it to kind of help with the moisture level. I think that that really helps, you know, get it to be not dried out. So if you'll just form this into 4 patties for me.
Yeah.
After you divide them into 4 patties, you want to put them in the fridge for about 30 minutes. So that's usually what I do when I'm making a turkey burger. It just helps them hold together a little bit more. And I've got a griddle here, nice and hot. I'm gonna put these right onto the griddle. They need about 5 minutes per side. So I've got some Monterey Jack cheese here. I domed my turkey burgers so that that cheese gets nice and melted. Oh, those look good.
Oh, that is good meltitude. Look at that coverage.
Yeah.
Nice.
Let's build our taco turkey burgers. Put one on each bun. Okay, I'm gonna top these with some guacamole.
Oh, yeah.
A little bit of pico de gallo. You could also use just a slice of tomato. Pickled jalapenos.
Oh, I love this.
Yep.
Yeah.
Oh, there's a lot of.
Oh,
and then in the salad Bobby
action.
flay, I'm gonna put.
Are you crunchifying?
I'm putting a little.
How dare you steal some body flay like that?
I love
All
the
right, so
jalapenos
let's
in there.
dive in, guys.
That's a very good burger.
This is a classic combo.
You know?
Smells good.